Hello, everyone. I am Frank Johnson, a graduate student at the University of Missouri, and in this video, I will be discussing soil microorganisms and processes associated with soybeans. What are microorganisms and which are associated with the soil? Microorganisms are organisms such as bacteria or protozoans of microscopic or ultramicroscopic size. These cannot be seen with the naked eye. What organisms are associated with the soil in general? First, there are microflora, which consist of bacteria, actinomycetes, fungi, and algae. Secondly, there are microfauna, which include small organisms such as earthworms. And thirdly, there are macrofauna, which include small mammals. What microorganism is specifically associated with soybeans? Rhizobia, which is a group of bacteria that forms nodules and roots. Rhizobia is associated with soybeans and other leguminous plants. What is the importance of rhizobia? The nodules that are formed have the ability to fix dinitrogen, or N2. There is a symbiotic relationship between rhizobia and the soybean plants. What is meant by fixing dinitrogen? It is the conversion of dinitrogen to ammonia, or the conversion of N2 to NH3+. After that conversion, the ammonia can be converted to other forms of nitrogen usable by the soybean plant, such as nitrate. How do rhizobia have the ability to fix dinitrogen? They contain an enzyme complex called nitrogenase. It is also called the nitrogenase complex because it is composed of two protein components with multiple subunits. What are the characteristics of this nitrogenase enzyme? The two proteins are molybdenum iron protein, which is the dinitrogenase part, and the iron protein, which is the dinitrogen reductase part. The nitrogenase enzyme also needs magnesium ions to be active, and it is also destroyed by oxygen. What conditions are appropriate for nitrogenase to function? First, the soils must be saturated. Secondly, there should be little to no oxygen in the soil. And thirdly, micro and macronutrients must be present. How is the nitrogenase enzyme protected from oxygen? Rhizobia contain leg hemoglobin, which binds to the oxygen to keep it away from the nitrogenase enzyme. Why is the relationship between rhizobia and soybeans important? As I said earlier, there is a symbiotic relationship between the rhizobia and soybean plants. The rhizobia provide nitrogen in an available form to the plant, and in return, the plant provides carbon to the rhizobia. What are great ways to manage rhizobia in your field? Make sure the rhizobia present promote growth for soybeans. If not, inoculation of growth-promoting rhizobia is possible. Make sure there is an adequate amount of micronutrients present, since a few of them are cofactors for nitrogenase. And do not add nitrogen-based fertilizers, or else nodules will not form. If you have any additional questions, comments, or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact an extension representative at the University of Missouri, Columbia.
Created using Powtoon.